Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to uncover some sneezing secrets. Did you know a sneeze can travel at 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah on roller skates. But wait, there's more. Sneezes can spread over 100,000 germs. Gross, but true. And here's a fun fact, we can't sneeze in our sleep. Our brain puts the brakes on sneezing while we're in dreamland. Also, sneezing can happen because of bright lights. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Sounds like a superhero power, right? So next time you sneeze, and remember, it's not just a chew, it's a high-speed, germ-spreading, brain-controlled phenomenon. Gesundheit.